We have looked at all the aspects of pulmonary blood flow, forming a loop between the heart and the lungs. So any factor that affects the heart and the lungs will obviously regulate the pulmonary blood flow. Firstly, we have the cardiac output. Pulmonary blood flow is proportional to cardiac output. So any factor that alters the cardiac output also affects the pulmonary blood flow. Like how much blood returns in the veins, the rate and the force of contraction of the heart, and the resistance from the peripheral area of the heart. Another factor is vascular resistance. It is the resistance that needs to overcome to push blood through the vessels and create flow. When compared to the systemic system, the resistance in the pulmonary circulation is quite low. It mainly depends upon the intrathoracic pressure. The less it is, obviously the blood flow will be increased. For example, during inspiration, the vascular resistance is low because the intrathoracic pressure decreases and pulmonary blood flow increases. And during expiration, the vascular resistance is high because of high intrathoracic pressure. So naturally, the blood flow decreases. The state of the blood vessel also affects the flow. Like vasoconstriction reduces the flow and vasodilation increases the flow. Vasoconstriction could be caused by excess of carbon dioxide and lack of oxygen, that is hypoxia. Pulmonary blood flow also depends upon gravitational pull. Due to the gravity, the pulmonary arterial pressure is high in the lower end of the body, and same goes with the pulmonary blood flow. Pulmonary vascular pressure varies in the different parts of the lung. Like the apical portion of the lung is called the area of zero blood flow. The capillaries collapse here due to increased pressure. No gaseous exchange occurs here. In the mid portion of the lung is called the zone of intermittent flow. And in the lower portion of the lung, the pulmonary arterial pressure is high, so the blood flows continuously. Hence, this part of the lung is called the area of continuous blood flow. So at a glance, the pulmonary regulating factors are the cardiac output, vascular resistance, effect of carbon dioxide and oxygen, and gravity and hydrostatic pressure. Hope you enjoyed this lecture. Stay tuned for more.